Ever tried teaching a lesson to a class full of kids bouncing off the walls? Yeah, it's like trying to herd squirrels amped up on energy drinks. It's a game no one wins. So in that situation, here's the mistake we as the teacher often make. Because of time constraints, we try to fight their energy and plough on with our lesson plan rather than working with their physical state and addressing it first. So you'll know the scenario from real life. The kids rush in, still buzzing from break time. They're chatting, fidgeting, distracted, right? And you've got a lesson to teach. You feel under pressure to get that lesson started. So the temptation is plough straight in, hit them with instructions and information. And we just expect them to just switch on because it's lesson time. And we've been told that lesson time is precious, not to waste a second of it, you know. But let's be real, that's not how brains work, especially kids. When students arrive excitable or unfocused or dysregulated or just plain fidgety, their brains aren't in learning mode yet. They're still processing whatever's just happened on the playground, at home or in the corridor. Or their bodies are in movement mode, not sit still and learn mode. And you can't deny this reality because when we push on before they're ready, they struggle to engage, so we get frustrated, they push back, and they can't stay focused. They're irritated, we're irritated, and the whole lesson feels like an uphill battle. So, here's what we do. Instead of ploughing on regardless, invest just 3 minutes at the start of that lesson to settle their energy and get them into the right physical and mental state. Now, that could mean a quick connection moment, a joke, a fun fact, or a guess the teacher's weekend plans challenge. It could be a calming transition game like heads down, thumbs up, which I'm going to be honest, has always worked like magic for me. Or a mindful breathing activity, just 30 seconds of breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Sounds simple, right? But it's game changing. And here's the key thing. It is not wasted time. That tiny upfront investment pays off for the entire lesson. Instead of fighting against their energy for the next 45 minutes, you've redirected it. You've unlocked their learning potential for the rest of the lesson. Now they can give you 100% effort during your time together instead of just 50%. That's basic maths. It's time that makes the rest of the lesson smoother, more productive, and way less stressful for you and for the kids. Because teaching shouldn't feel draining and irritating for everyone in the room. When we work with their energy, we get way more done with way less frustration. I'm Simon Corrigan from Beacon School Support. If this has resonated with you, like, share and tag a teacher or a school leader who needs to hear it.